We're checking out this AROEVE smart fan. This one uses the app to help control this, and it can clean a whole room. This is the box that it ships in. Let's take it out and take a look at it. Packing instructions right on the box. It's pretty nice. I find it easiest to just stand it up and pull it out of there. Once we slide it out, we can take the styrofoam off and the plastic bag off. Very nice. So this one's pretty tall. It's got a large filter inside. Everything's taped up for shipping. We'll pull that all off. We've got a 6-foot 2-prong outlet. Once you plug it in, it goes through a routine. Now we can bring it to life. It's going to go into fan mode. It's got a filter. It's got a fan. They can run independently or together. It can oscillate in both directions, up and left and right. It's got a washable filter, and it works with the smartphone, so you can control it from your phone. Very popular model. We want to thank AROEVE for sending us this one to check out. Very capable unit. It's going to do fine here in Arizona. Hope this helps. Listen how quiet that is. And as you can see, it's moving in 3 dimensions. Very quiet, great airflow.